Okay, this is a program to training CRF model. There are two actually. One is a training, one is for test CRF. Okay, the first part is we import an LTK and import SK dan CR suite, import ELY5, import pandas and CSV. This one is a data, which is data pd.dataframe and using a format CSV. Okay, after that is this is to read the data from annotate, which is this is the file that have annotate file, which is in kernel. Okay, and then after that this is tag post nltk.post tag, and then after that select some features to train the CRF. Features like bias, word lower, is upper, is digit, and post tag. Okay, this is where to split the data into two, which is this one is a train data. Okay, this is the part which is to train the data using the algorithm LBFGS, and the parameter of C1 and C2, the value of C1 and C2 is 0.1 and the max iteration is 100. This is the label that have on the text corpus, which is have BILO, and have all the parameter like position, method, target, actor, motif, thread, and null. Okay, after that is cross validation, and then this is where the part to print out the output of evaluator, which has precision, recall, and F1 score. Okay, this one is to have have a visualization for the transition probability, which have tag to tag probabilities. You can see the actor with the tag of actor, method with method, motif with motif, position with position, target with target, and thread with the thread. Okay, this is a list of words that have been printed out from the transition probabilities and from the training data. Okay, this is where to focus on to have the best value of thread and target. Okay, before this have a train CRF. Now we need to have another data, which is to test the CRF part. Okay, for this part we need to tune the parameter to see the value and to list the words, because CRF remember a lot of words. Okay, now C1 put the value as a 10, and we can see the precision, recall, and F1 score is changing. Okay, precision is 0.91 and also the F1 score, but for the recall is 0.94. Okay, here is the result for transition probabilities. Okay, we can see that a lot of zeros because too high value of C1 cannot produce the best result. And yeah, the word is list actually, but it's not very good. Okay, this is where we need to focus on thread and target. Okay, and now we test the C1 with the value 0.5. Okay, as can see, the precision and the F1 score is 0.92 and the recall is 0.94. for the transition probabilities, the value have a lot of zero, which you can see that it's not very good also, but it's kind of good between the training data and the C1 when the value is done. This is the list of the word, and this is where the part that we want to focus on, which is the threat and target. As you can see, iTarget has the highest probabilities, which is 5.055, which you can see is a good result. Okay, for this last part, we set the value of C1 is 1.0. Okay, as can be seen, the result of precision, recall and advanced score is same with the value C1 0.5, 0.5, but the support data is actually different. Okay, this is transition probabilities. There's a lot of zero. You can see that this is also a quite balanced actually. Okay, this is list of words, and the last part is the parameter that we want to focus on, which is the threat and the target. Okay, for this test, as you can see, our threat with the threat has the highest probabilities, which is 5.03. Okay, for this part, as you can see, this visualization for this, which is actually the last part, the visualization part. Okay, here you can see is the actor has a position, has a motive, and this is where is the threat. Okay, what I want to show you, we can see the profiling of the actor. Okay, so it's an example. We click band Rodel, and then we can see what position is a sales manager. The motive that he do the trade is actually to benefit to himself, and the trade that he done is a purchase. Okay, that is one. Okay, for the next thing is the country and year. Okay, this is the country and this is the year. Okay, you try to click the China, and as you can see, this is the year that trade has been occurred. Okay, that is all for me. Thank you.